Hey guys, today you're breaking down a super simple topic, but often confusing topic. The difference between sometime, sometimes, and sometime. They almost sound the same, but trust me, their meanings are totally different. So let's get into it quick, clear, and easy. First, let's talk about sometime, spelled as one word, no S. It is an unspecified or unknown time, either in the past or the future, is vaguely. You are not saying exactly when. For example, let's grab coffee sometime. Here, you want to meet, but you don't know when. Let's see another example. He moved here sometime last year. Here, you didn't know the exact time, but just a general idea. Next up, sometimes. Also one word, but with an S at the end. This one means occasionally or now and then. It is used when something happens from time to time, but not regularly. For example, I sometimes go for a walk. It means I don't go every day, but I do it occasionally. Let's see another example. She forgets her key at home. In that, she doesn't forget it every day, but she do it and then. Finally, we have sometime. It means a period of time or an amount of time. For example, it will take some time to finish the project. In this example, the project requires a certain amount or a period of time to finish it, like hours and days, etc. That was all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!